Hello, I'm going to give you a quick tour of my Transition to Motherhood website. So here we are on the home page, and you can see that here on the home page I'm explaining what the purpose of the site is, who the audience is. We're focused on the mother, and I'm giving people a place to go if they're not sure exactly where to start with all the information on this site. And also in the sidebar, I'm highlighting this need help now for people who are in crisis. So we've got our home page, and then we've got some information resources. And information resources are books and journals, articles and research papers that are about the transition to motherhood. And then finally, on the community resources page, I've focused on events and community resources that are local to where I live in Charlottesville, Virginia. So we've got support groups, we've got services you can purchase, and we've also got some just for fun entertainment things. And here at the bottom of the page, you can see two videos, one of which is going to become this site tour video. So I hope that was informative about how the site Transition to Motherhood is set up. Thank you very much.